Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your portfolio link. A strong online portfolio is essential for showcasing your work to potential employers or clients. It acts as a digital resume, providing a visual representation of your skills and achievements. We will cover the key steps to ensure your portfolio is easily accessible and professionally presented, helping you make a lasting impression with just one click. Choosing the right platform is your first crucial step. Many creatives opt for dedicated portfolio sites like Behance or Dribbble, which offer built-in communities and exposure. Alternatively, building a personal website using platforms like Squarespace or WordPress provides maximum control over branding and design. Think about your needs. Do you require extensive image galleries, video embeds, or perhaps a blog section? Select a platform that aligns perfectly with your professional goals. Once your portfolio is beautifully crafted and published, finding its unique link is straightforward. Simply visit your live portfolio page in any web browser. The address displayed in the browser's URL bar is your direct link. It typically starts with https:// and includes your chosen username or domain name. Copy this entire address carefully. It's the key to sharing your work with the world. With your link in hand, it's time to share your amazing work. Place your portfolio URL prominently on your resume, LinkedIn profile, and any professional correspondence. When applying for jobs, include it in your cover letter. Remember, a direct link makes it incredibly easy for others to view your projects, increasing your visibility and opportunities. Make sure it's always just one click away for anyone interested in your talents.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.